Introducing Magnolia 6, the enterprise-grade CMS that empowers both front and back-end developers to create outstanding digital experiences. Magnolia excels at development speed and integration. It combines the best properties of website builders on the one hand, which are fast, but aren't maintainable and lack a true development workflow, and your typical enterprise WCMS, which are powerful, but complicated and heavy with boilerplate. Developers tell me that when they have the choice of CMS, they choose to work with Magnolia because it doesn't get in your way. Magnolia development is so intuitive that you can learn the essentials in less than 5 minutes. A global search is the heart of the Magnolia 6 UI. The Find bar offers AI-powered full-text search across all content. You can configure it to include external content and program it to execute your custom commands. Individual apps enable authors to focus on their work. Custom content apps allow authors to manage their domain-specific content. They're really fast and easy for you to provision based on content types. Magnolia's convention over configuration approach provides for the lightest definition of content types in the industry, but still allows unlimited customization. Here's the definition for 2 content types, including their properties and their relationship. They really couldn't be any simpler. To deploy them, I simply copy the files to the Magnolia instance. Now when I log in, content apps have been created. Now an author can create content right away. It's just as easy to access that content with REST delivery endpoints. Configure the content you want to deliver in a file and deploy it to your instance. Right away you can get that content, including hierarchies, resolving related content, filtering, and sorting. External systems can trigger activities in Magnolia with the commands endpoint, and Magnolia can communicate with systems via REST clients. With just content types and REST, you already have a headless system up and running. Magnolia is all about speed, and light development is the special sauce that really accelerates project development. For starters, you don't need to learn and wrestle with an admin UI. You do all your work in text files in your favorite code editor. Every change you make is picked up by the system immediately. You get super dry YAML configuration thanks to special include and decoration features. Deploy to a running system with a light module, a simple directory of files. And you get complete visibility. You can see all your active definitions live in the system. Generate component and page templates quickly with the CLI, and tune them with your custom markup. Now marketers and content authors can build experiences with them in Magnolia's WYSIWYG page editor. The CLI can also jumpstart a Magnolia system, downloading and installing it from scratch. It can create light modules, dialogues, templates, and everything else you need, except coffee. While light dev covers all the common tasks, back-end developers can customize Magnolia completely with rich Java APIs. For example, provide a custom action to generate a PDF, or add a request filter to implement a security protocol. Package your custom functionality in Maven modules or light modules. Magnolia is designed to be integrated with other systems. You can take a best-of-breed approach and choose the tools that really work for you, and integrate the systems that you already have. Our holistic interoperability UX connects widgets in Magnolia to external systems. For example, populate an app with content from an e-commerce platform, tag its content using an image recognition service, or trigger translation via a third-party service. As a developer, there are many integration points available to you. Magnolia is open. You can install Magnolia on your own infrastructure, or take advantage of our cloud offering. You get a best practice continuous delivery setup with integration UAT and production environments. Git releases can be deployed directly from the cloud cockpit. Now you've seen what makes Magnolia such a great platform for developers. To wrap up, consider this. It's fast and light enough for small projects and rapid POCs, but it also checks all the enterprise CMS boxes and supports the integrations that big enterprise customers need.